All right, to you guys and girls out there that's doing the Ford 3.5 engine, I believe from 2008 up to 2016, believe. Guys, if you're doing the timing chain on these jobs, you have to make sure you get you a good kit. Do not, I repeat, if I'm telling you, I can't stress it enough, man, or you're going to be doing this job again. Do not get this kit from eBay. Do not get these cheap kits. Get you a Cloy's kit, because this is some high quality stuff. Actually, Cloy's and Melling is actually better than OEM. Now, pay attention to the videos that we're going to be releasing, little tips and tricks on this job. This one right here is about these gears. Don't think you can just, now here's the old parts over here. Don't think you can just, hey, this looks in good condition. Everything looks good. The teeth looks good on the gears and all. No, they do not. And now here's an example of this. Here's the old gear. Let me set this up. Set this up right here. No, there's the new gear. And here's the old gear. Now what I want you to do is pay attention to the teeth. Look how thick. Look, take one tooth and look how thick it is. Let me move this over a little bit. And look how thin. Look at that tooth right there. You see that tooth right there? See how thin that is right there? And you see the ones over here? There's a reason why Cloy's come out with this full kit, because these gears, the teeth, wear down. And when they wear down, it can throw off your timing. You're going to come up with a P0016, even though you probably have a brand new chain and VVTs up there. Just that right there will throw your timing off. So it's very important to make sure you change these gears, all of them. This kit comes with every single gear there is. And actually, let me go right here. Here is the two other camshaft gears with the bolts. You got to replace the bolts. Do not reuse the old bolts, because these things are torque to yield. And when you go to retorque them back, they will not be within specs, and it's a good chance, well, not a good chance, it's about a 20% chance of those bolts loosening up and coming back out, and boom, you just destroyed your entire engine. So again, on this video right here, change your gears. If I can get this closer like this, let me stand this up, you can actually see the thickness. And you might thinking, well, Tim, that's in the front. So we're gonna change this around. Put it like this for you. Look at that. Look how thin. Look how much metal wore off that gear. So it's very important to make sure you change the gears on every single thing. And that's one of the tips. Again, stay tuned, because there are going to be more tips and tricks on this video to make sure you do not destroy your engine. Take care.